Okay, we've shaved these cheeks down some. We've lined this out, so we want to cut some of this out. See how that shaved that out nice. So we're going to take this nose down some more. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Okay, we're getting the bridge down pretty good. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We're starting to take some shape. We've got to round this down up in here yet. I don't know what I'm going to do back here yet. We're using this drum one looking here, and you can see how that rounds that down nice. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll come back with the next step. We'll get this rounded down some more, then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.